Hey guys, Andrew here with Web Trends Weekly. Today I want to talk about something, and this might be a little controversial. I want to talk about why you shouldn't necessarily listen to YouTubers about dropshipping, especially the larger YouTubers. And I'm going to show you exactly why that is right now. So let's actually get right down to it. For example, a lot of them recently have been putting out videos on why they quit Shopify dropshipping. And okay, I mean, this might be true for some of them, but if you actually watch the videos, it's not 100% true for some of them. Some of them might have stopped using AliExpress and so on and so forth. But you better believe they will make a video about it. They will make a clickbait thumbnail. They will put a clickbait title. It'll fall into the same exact category because one dropshipping YouTuber who's an influencer made a video on the subject. Therefore, it is trending, creating higher search volume for that topic in particular. More likely that their video gets suggested to these people who are typing in that keyword, to people who are watching that similar video, so on and so forth. The less of that there is, the more likely that they are to appear in the search, get views, increase their subscriber count, increase their YouTube revenue. I could type in something like why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Look at this. Before I even finish it, it is one of the top searched keywords right here. So let's click that. Here you go. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Exposing the truth about Shopify dropshipping. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. This one, and this one are almost, they are the exact title, word for word, with quit in all caps, the main keyword in all caps right here. Here you go. I quit Shopify dropshipping. Tried Shopify dropshipping. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Why I'm quitting dropshipping. Why I almost quit dropshipping. So, I mean, yeah, some of these are a lot older than others, but the main ones I want to focus on here. Here you go right here. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. Exposing the truth about Shopify dropshipping. Why I quit Shopify dropshipping. But you notice a trend here, and you notice a pattern with the keyword in all capitals. This is because this is a search term. People are typing this. Clearly, they're typing this into YouTube. That's why it showed up. So this is an incognito window. So YouTube has no data on what I've searched for. So they're not going to try to optimize this search based on videos I've watched previously. And that's typically what Google and YouTube and other search engines like that will do. The more you feed it information via this search, the more you watch certain videos, the more it will optimize search results for whatever you've been watching. For example, if I type in S on an incognito window, this is what I get. But if I've been watching a lot of dropshipping videos and then I type in S, you'll probably see Shopify dropshipping appear as a keyword here because it knows, hey, you've watched a lot of dropshipping videos. I'm going to assume you're looking for Shopify dropshipping, so I'm going to throw that keyword up here, make it easier for you to click on, right? So that's just basically how this algorithm works. That's how it learns. It learns off data. The more data you give it, the better it knows what you're looking for. Now, as you can see, there is a very clear pattern here, right? These influencers in the dropshipping space are making the same exact kind of video with a very clickbait thumbnail. I mean, look at that. He didn't lose $1,000. He wants you to click it, so you watch the video, you watch till the end. You want to see this happen. It never does. Same thing with Jordan Welch's video. You watch it till the end. This never happens. Same thing here. You watch that, nothing happens. Why I stopped using AliExpress. All right, doesn't come up. So why I stopped using AliExpress, stopped using AliExpress, stopped using AliExpress. This is a very popular. So let's try stop using AliExpress. There you go. It's a top keyword. Stop using AliExpress for Shopify dropshipping. Why I stopped using AliExpress to dropship. Best alternatives to AliExpress. Best alternatives to AliExpress. Stop dropshipping from AliExpress. Stop using AliExpress. Stop using AliExpress. Stop using AliExpress. So on, so forth. I could keep going on and on and on about AliExpress, I'm sure. But yeah, you see, as these videos come out, people have a tendency to copy what's trending because it's popular at the moment, and it's very likely YouTube will suggest your video to people that are interested in looking at that, which, in return is going to create a popular video, which is going to result in more subscribers, which is going to result in more views, more average views, and thus more revenue from YouTube. Because again, there's only so much content you can do. Being a YouTuber, you constantly need new content. And a lot of these people just simply do stuff that's trending because it will result in more subscribers, in more views, in more revenue. That is something that I am not necessarily interested in, which is why I will never do this stuff ever. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you the exact opposite. I think you should use AliExpress. I think you should use CJ Dropshipping or any of these platforms, especially when you are trying to scale a product, because it's very, very cheap. You can get free shipping. You can actually find shipping times that are not that bad through AliExpress. And on top of that, you can actually make pretty good margins. You don't need to move to a private agent. You don't need to move to a fulfillment warehouse and buy in bulk from Alibaba, especially not when you're generating very small amounts of profit. You want to be generating a good amount of money. You want to be making a good amount of average daily sales, and you want to be turning good gross profit per month before you make the decision to move elsewhere. And if you watch a lot of these videos, what's funny is some of them will not actually fully hate on AliExpress. As a matter of fact, they'll say, yeah, you could still use AliExpress to test products out. And some of them even recommend that you still do that. And as a matter of fact, I would say that is probably the best thing to do when you are testing products.
Now, of course, you're not me, so don't compare yourself to the situation I'm in. If you're still a beginner getting started, don't think that you shouldn't try out this business model just because I'm not dropshipping anymore.
If you are selling a product, and let's say the markup isn't that bad and the price is pretty good, like a $9.99 product, a lot of the times customers will just not mind if the shipping time is 4 to 5 weeks. I mean, you don't really want it to be more than that, but if they're spending a small amount of money, the customer is less likely to mind it. I'm not saying you won't get people emailing you and you'll have to do customer support, because, that might happen. If you're dealing with a large amount of customers, odds are some of them are going to send you emails, and that's just something you have to address. So you should have templates for emails for delayed shipping times. It's just going to happen. If you're in e-commerce, you're going to get emails from customers. It's just going to happen. It's just like when you're creating YouTube videos. It doesn't matter how popular your video is, how popular of a YouTuber you are going to get thumbs downs on your videos, right? The same way you will get emails from customers about your product. It just goes with the game. So that's something you have to learn to deal with. So that's just something you have to learn to be good about. So remember, you absolutely can use AliExpress. Really, nothing has changed from AliExpress from now to years ago when people were using it all the time. It's just when these videos started coming into circulation, more people were making them. And a lot of these people have already moved to private agents because they are doing very, very well with their stores. So they're able to avoid AliExpress, go private, buy in bulk on Alibaba, ship to fulfillment warehouses, and things like that. So that makes sense why they stopped using AliExpress, because they simply do not need it. They have proven success. They have agents that will work with them. You can absolutely use Ali and CJ. If you're testing products, you absolutely should. Do not listen to these YouTubers. Anyhow, that's my 2 cents. If you agree or you disagree, feel free to leave me a comment. I want to read every comment. That's it for this video. I just wanted to rant on this because I've been seeing this pattern a lot from dropshipping influencers, and I feel like it's sending the wrong message, especially to entrepreneurs that want to get started in the dropshipping space. This is just incorrect. And these were people that actually, I feel like, might have inspired a lot of people to go into dropshipping to begin with. And now they're all putting out these kind of fear-mongering videos on why it's a bad idea to use AliExpress, why it's a bad idea to use Shopify, are really just nonsense for video views and SEO. Anyhow, I'm very curious to hear what you all think about this. Leave a comment below and I will try to get back to each and every one of you. I appreciate you watching this video and I hope you have a great day.